how to use Google's DeepMind's video generator called VEO. You need premium subscription. The Gemini model gives you access to VEO version 2. You can prompt to create 8-second video, as we can see in this example. But let's look at flow, because this is where the video generation using Google's AI really shines. Let's create with flow. Before we move on, do keep in mind there is Flow TV, whereby you can get some inspirations and also look at the prompts others have placed to create the example videos. So let's go and create a new project. So I'll show you the basics of it. What I tend to do is first start with a basic prompt. Say, okay, you know what? Text the video. Here we have settings. You can use version 3 or even the highest quality with audio as well, but that will cost you 100 credits. With your Google AI Pro membership, each month credits reset. So let's go with text to video version 3. For VEO 3, we'll be spending 20 credits if I was to prompt this here. Let's actually do that. Now it's going to take a bit of time to render your 8-second video. And as we can see, this is a basic prompt text to video using version 3. You can always reuse prompts or even delete them. Okay? Then your projects are within your flow. So we can say, okay, how about the other ones that we've created? So let's go and create another project, because I want to show you frame to video option. What in the world this frame to video is all about? You can do something like this. Right, let's upload an image. You can generate an image using Google's AI tools as well. Let's cancel out of that. Let's actually put the basic prompt so it doesn't cover the whole screen. Frames to video. We can upload our own designs if we want. So if you're using Illustrator or Photoshop, or you want to have your own, your own photo within the video, you can actually upload your own images. Okay. So let's grab that, crop and save. Then let's add another image. As in we can upload it, or we can even generate a new image using Google's AI tools. So next frame, let's select this one here as an example. Here in this example, it's VEO version 2, because depending on the setting that you have and which option that you choose, let's select this one to see. Because if we generate this, it may give us a warning saying, you know what, the Google VEO settings are saying we'll be using a different model. Okay, so now we can say, okay, how about some effects? Let's grab the orbit right. Let's generate. As we can see, it reverted back to version 2. That's okay. Let's generate. So basically, you can use flow using text to video or frame to video. Now, frame to video obviously will use the assets that you've uploaded. So now it's gone ahead and created this video using the frames we've inputted. So at this stage, we can download the video itself to our local computer. And while here, let's imagine you have access to different, video editing software. You can then upload the videos and work on them as well, okay? So basically, this is the downloaded version. It's in MP4 format. But we can actually add to scene as well. Using Flow, we can say, okay, you know what? Let's add, we can extend the scene if we want. What should happen next? Let's say small birds should fly in slow motion through the screen. And now it's going to go ahead and extend the frame, as an extend the scene, according to the input that you've inputted, okay? So you can add more, resize the video length and so on. And now we've just extended our scene, okay? So we can resize it, grab the other one, we can jump to different scenes and so on. Although it's a short video, but as you extend, you can have longer videos as well. And the best way to learn this is by just experimenting with different prompts. And also looking at what others have created and what prompts that they've inserted. So this is how you use the next generation of video generation tool using Google's DeepMind video tool called VEO version 2 or different versions such as version 3. I thank you for learning with Rankia. If you want to see more artificial intelligence related how-to tutorials, please do subscribe to Rankia YouTube channel and perhaps even comment on this video, and I'll create videos accordingly.